Hello everyone, welcome to M365 Professional. SharePoint Libraries, organizing and storing files in today's digital workplace. Managing and storing files efficiently is crucial for productivity and collaboration. Microsoft SharePoint provides a powerful solution for file organization through its SharePoint Libraries, enabling teams to store, manage, and share documents seamlessly. We explore how SharePoint libraries work, their key features, and best practices for organizing and storing files effectively. What are SharePoint libraries? SharePoint libraries are secure locations within a SharePoint site where teams can store and manage files. Unlike traditional file storage systems, SharePoint libraries offer advanced features such as version control, metadata tagging, document co-authoring, and integration with Microsoft 365 applications. There are different types of SharePoint libraries, including Document Library, the most common type, used to store and manage various document types. Picture Library, designed for storing and organizing images. Form Library, used for managing XML-based forms. Asset Library, ideal for storing multimedia files like videos and audio. Key features of SharePoint libraries: version control allows users to track changes made to a document, enables restoring previous versions if necessary. Metadata and tags. Users can assign metadata fields e.g., category, status, department to documents. Improves searchability and filtering options. Check-in, checkout prevents multiple users from editing a document simultaneously. Ensures proper control over document modifications. Co-authoring and collaboration enables multiple users to edit a document in real time using Microsoft 365 apps. Changes are saved automatically to SharePoint. Permissions and security allows administrators to control who can view, edit, or delete files. Supports role-based access to prevent unauthorized modifications. Integration with Microsoft 365. Seamless connection with tools like Teams, Outlook, OneDrive, and Power Automate. Automates workflows to enhance productivity. Best practices for organizing and storing files in SharePoint libraries. 1. Plan your library structure before creating a SharePoint library. Plan its structure based on business needs. Consider the following: folder versus metadata. Instead of using deep folder structures, leverage metadata for easy filtering and searching. Separate libraries for different content. Avoid storing all files in one library. Create dedicated libraries for different departments or projects. 2. Use naming conventions. Establish clear and consistent naming conventions for files and folders. 2. Ensure easy identification and retrieval. Examples: marketing_campaign_Q1_20 to 5.docx, HR_employee_policies_v to.pdf. 3. Implement document versioning. Enable version control to track changes and revert to previous versions if needed. This prevents data loss and ensures document integrity. 4. Set up permissions wisely. Grant permissions based on roles to protect sensitive data. Use SharePoint groups to manage access efficiently. 5. Utilize views and filters. Create custom views using metadata filters to display relevant documents based on user needs. This reduces clutter and enhances accessibility. 6. Enable alerts and notifications. Set up alerts for important document changes to keep team members informed about updates and modifications. 7. Leverage automation with Power Automate. Automate repetitive tasks such as document approvals, notifications, and content archiving using Power Automate. Conclusion: SharePoint libraries are a powerful tool for organizing and storing files efficiently in a collaborative environment. By leveraging features such as metadata tagging, version control, and automation, organizations can improve document management, enhance security, and streamline workflows. Implementing best practices ensures that teams can access the right files at the right time, leading to increased productivity and efficiency in the workplace. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe us for more informative videos. Thank you.